Hi, welcome to Chad, her YouTube channel. Today, I have a cordless paint sprayer that I bought it from Amazon for $50. Let's open up and see what's inside. This paint sprayer is compatible with the 18 volts Ryobi battery. This cordless paint sprayer, equipped with 200 watts HVLP paint gun with 3 patterns, 4 size nozzles for house painting, furniture, and cabinets. Perfect for a small DIY project. This basic kit comes with 2 pattern nozzle spray, some disposable gloves, a viscosity cup for measuring paint thinnings, and 6 paint filters. Well, there you have it. That's all the accessories that comes with this $50 cordless paint sprayer. This 18-volt 200 watts paint sprayer is equipped with 3 size nozzles suitable for wall fence, door window, metal, rust sealing, furniture, cabinet crafts, and car repairing. Different spray patterns, horizontal, vertical, circle, could be applied to different project surface. The spray width can be adjusted by the spray size knob. The flow control knob is behind the trigger. You can adjust the flow rate according to your requirement. This handheld cordless paint sprayer comes with a large container and overall unit made of ABS material. Lightweight, portable, and durable. Adopting high-powered brushless motor. Prolong machine working time. As said, this cordless paint sprayer is compatible with Ryobi One Plus 18V lithium battery. Unlike other plug-in paint sprayer gun, portable battery-powered sprayer could be used wirelessly and not limited by wiring. You can quickly finish the paint job smoothly and effectively. Battery not included. Before using cordless paint sprayer, you'll need to dilute the paint. After dilution, fill the viscosity cup and count the time when the paint runs out. This sprayer comes with a viscosity cup to help you ensure the paint viscosity is up to 40 seconds. Airflow 1600 milliliter per minute. Significantly save your time. this is my first time doing this dilutioning paint mixing. First, I fill up this cup about 3 liters of paint, then add 1 liter of water. Mix it really well. Test it with the Viscosity cup to ensure it runs out within 40 seconds or less. If your paint in the Viscosity cup didn't runs out before the 40 seconds, then add more waters, and repeat the process. This test didn't get me the 40 seconds I need, but the Viscosity cup is nearly runs out by the 40 seconds timer. So I just go with that, and it seemed to work fine. Now, let's put it to the test. For this demonstration, I'll be using this little makeshift I built to cover my dryer. The wood board here is old and dirty, so I'll just paint it over it to see how it turns out. Never mind the grass. This is only a test to see how well this cheap $50 cordless paint sprayer performs. Well, it did a great job so far for a cheap paint sprayer. It worked as expected. After you finished painting, before putting it away, be sure to fill the container with water and runs it through till empty. Do this several times to ensure all the paints are out of the container and sprayer. Doing this will also clean the nozzle and prevent it from clogging. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to Chad her YouTube channel for more videos updates. Until next time, happy painting.